unless you're going to conceal it, and you can't find a good concealment. In other words,
is this here? I literally put here.
Yeah, we've had cases like put it in like a
Oh, you sure?
Yes. And that's why
and if you think about
hand me a clip. Okay, John, first step. Check out my target.
Yeah, these are different because they're steel kits. I don't think I've seen those before.
Keep on. Go. Lean forward a little bit. Lean your body forward a little bit.
So when you fall from, you have to
have cease fire. Clear and vent your guns. Leave the actions open. Magazines removed. Muzzles pointed downrange and move back to the yellow line for a safety inspection. Also at this time, if you're going to be done shooting for the day, please move a fresh target or the shooter will be coming in behind you.
You put a 40 in there. Get a new one anyway.
I'll be right back, William.
Hey, Colin, come here. Colin, I'm coming. Well, acknowledge me. Yay. Eh, dalawa ito sa'yo. Ha?
Gotta stay back. Somebody took our spot and our stuff. Okay. Get it back! Get back!
You shoot only on the right side, you only on the left side. Then after you're done with one magazine, you go indicate on the right side. Yeah. Later we'll
Steadily got worse. Down there can't do it either. You gotta be on there. Kind of nice.
Reload your magazine.
Last clip.
A handgun for home protection is to stop them. Not shoot them 10 times and kill them 5 minutes later. Because that's exactly what that'll do. It'll kill somebody, I promise you. You can hit them dead center in the chest. But it's going to take some time.
Bleed them out.
Yeah, that's exactly what those do. They bleed them out. That's why it's illegal to hunt deer with a .22. Because it'll kill them. But it'll kill them.
3 days?
Yeah, 3 days from now. That's for me. That's why I say hollow point 9mm, just the nastiest 9mm you can find, or a big old fat 40 caliber. Now, you shoot somebody with a 40 caliber, they're not getting up and they're not moving forward because there's just so much. It's kinetic energy.
And next time, don't pick up any guns until after the ceasefires are over.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, all yours. 45 is even better, but
Pull the chain.
45 is awful big round of fire.